Hey everyone, I'm just recording a quick video that's going to help you in your next assignment. I'm looking at page 69 in your Go Math book. We're going to do numbers 1 through 7 together. These equations are a little bit smaller. We're going to use PEMDAS to help us navigate which order of operation comes next in the problem. So when we're looking at number 1, we are first going to ask ourselves, is there parentheses? There is not any parentheses in this problem. Is there exponents? There's not exponents. Is there multiplication or division? Yes, we have division, so that is going to come first. So first I'm going to solve 36 divided by 9, which is 4. So I have 10 plus 4. Multiplication and division's done. All I have is addition left. 10 plus 4 is 14. I've completed all the steps of PEMDAS. Number 2, we do have parentheses in this problem, so we need to solve what is inside of the parentheses first. So 25 minus 10, that is 15. I'm going to bring everything else down. Okay, so the P in PEMDAS is taken care of. There is not any exponents in this problem. Next is multiplication or division. Remember, these two, can interchange if both operations are in one problem. However, we only have division in this problem. So we're going to solve that next. 15 divided by 5, that is 3. So I'm going to bring down my 10 plus. 10 plus 3 is 13. I've taken care of all my steps in PEMDAS. On the next problem, we do have parentheses in this problem as well. We'll take care of them first. So 3 times 2 is 6. Bring everything else down. Okay. Parentheses are taken care of. There is not exponents in this problem. Now, there's also not multiplication or division. Here's where the tricky part comes in. Please remember that addition and subtraction are inverse operations. Remember when I've drawn these arrows? Okay, they're opposite operations. That means that we do whichever one comes in the problem first when reading that problem from left to right. So in this problem, subtraction comes first. So we will solve 9 minus 6 is 3 plus 8, which is 11. Okay. If you need to pause the video to see a problem worked out again, or to go back and just review what I have done, you are able to do that. I'm going to clear the annotations, and we're going to scroll down a little bit to give us some more room. Okay, evaluate the numerical expression means to solve once again. So in PEMDAS, I'm just going to write this up here. I'm not going to mark out the letters this time, but I do believe that the majority of my students who have written down PEMDAS each time and marked out the letters as they solved each step have not had as many difficulties navigating through the problem, and they have also shown that they're able to stay on the correct order in that problem much better. So I would highly recommend writing down PEMDAS each time and marking out each letter as you do each step. That will help you in the long run get more problems correct. Okay? So PEMDAS, my parentheses come first. So 4 plus 49, that is 53. Bring everything else down. The P is taken care of. There is not exponents in this problem. Multiplication is present in this problem. So 4 times 10 is 40. So now I'm doing 53 minus 40, which is 13. That's a problem. If you need to solve that out on the side, you're more than welcome to. Okay. Next problem. There is not parentheses, so they're not present. There's not exponents. We do have division, so we need to solve that first because multiplication or division would come next. There's only division. So 100 divided by 5, that is 20. Bring everything else down. So now I have addition and subtraction. I solve which one comes first in that problem when looking at that problem from left to right. Addition comes first. So I have 22 minus 20, and that is 2. Our next problem has parentheses. We'll do that first. 8 plus 5, that is 13. Okay, 36 minus 13. Think of that like 36 minus 10 is 26. Minus 3 more, that is 23. A little bit of mental math strategy. Or you could have solved out this and done 6 minus 3 is 3. And 3 minus 2, or 3 minus 1 is 2. Last problem that we're going to do together is problem 7. So parentheses comes first. 68 plus 7, that is 75. Now I have 125 minus 75. You can solve that out on the side if you would like. That answer is 50. So if you would have solved it out on the side, you would have said 5 minus 5 is 0. 2 minus 7, I cannot do that. So I'm going to borrow from that 1, make it a 0. Make the 2 the 12. I'm adding 10 to the original number listed. 12 minus 7, that is 5. Okay, so that's how I found my answer. Okay, so that is just a quick mini lesson to help you with your next assignment. Please let us know if you have any questions.